Guten Tag, good day, Sabona, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ja, willkommen zurück zu meinem YouTube-Kanal und schön, dass ihr wieder da. Ja, es freut mich, dass ihr wieder da. Today's Tuesday morning, and I'm still at home. Yeah, I'm still on vacation. Well, a lockdown vacation. As you know, in Germany, things are getting a little bit more tighter. The numbers are getting much higher in Germany. So yesterday they did have a meeting, and really don't know what exactly was the outcome, but I heard this morning from my husband that things are a little bit more tighter. But on to better things. I was on strike yesterday. Well, I refused to do anything yesterday. I was so exhausted. I packed the whole of last week. I have gotten a bit far with packing. Then we had some visitors over, and that was so good because we haven't seen them since Silvester. Silvester war das letztes Mal, dass wir meine Schwiegerfamilie gesehen, die Schwester von meinem Mann. Sie war hier mit dem Mann und die zwei Kinder. Oh, es war echt schön, wieder to see normal faces and spend time together. And we did a lot of catching up on this weekend, but we couldn't do much. We just went to the new place. We had a look because we went walking around, because there's cool places to walk around the new home. Wege, and that was cool. It was freezing on Saturday, so we didn't stay outside too long. Just got a little bit fresh air, walked around, and was back home. And that was Saturday, and then Sunday they left pretty early, so it was a good catch up. Hoping to see them for Easter, so let's hope there is no tighter lockdown than it is at the moment. So then yesterday I was exhausted, I think, from packing last week, and well, the weekend we didn't do much, but it's no idea. My body needed a rest. So I did nothing yesterday. And then today I have some stuff to do. I've got some unboxing to do because I bought some stuff from Zara, so I've got to unbox that. Well, I've got to have a look to see if it fits before so I'm not late with the returns. Today I also have to finish up my cupboards. I'm still working with it online. I'm doing it through Ikea. You're able to build your closet or your cupboard system through Ikea online. Well, this is a pretty cool thing. So it's really personalized to how you exactly want it and what kind of spaces you need. So that's really cool. So doing that, and then I need to get the finishings for the cupboard, because Ikea doesn't have the stuff that I really want. I want the gold rail. I want the rails in gold, and also the drawer knobs in gold. So need to get that. And then I need to start packing again. We're 4 weeks away. Trying to get all this done as quick as possible, because the Easter weekend we hopefully going down to my in-laws. We'll be driving down there and stay the whole weekend. And then with work during the week, I'm exhausted. So need to try and get these things done now. The IKEA cupboards, I'll do another kind of vlog on that. I'll do a vlog on that from start to finish and from the planning. So I need to do that kind of thing for you guys. Yeah, so today is pretty much a lazy day. The weather is pretty shitty. It's been like this since last week. That was pretty sad, knowing that I'm at home and the weather's so shitty. So I've got my cup of tea. I'm ready for the day, and So at the moment, I'm just working out. I've done the trimmings. I actually found that in Ikea. Didn't realize that they actually had gold trimmings. Um, so I've worked out my spacing, how much I actually need in my closet. Well, this is a closet that's just gonna have not my essential stuff, but more so my jackets, my jogging anzüge, my track pants, overall. So I'm just kind of like labeling where and what goes where, because I'm that organized. Ah, ich muss zu den Seiten gehen, weil das war ja 156. Das glaube ich. Weil wenn das bisschen länger, muss ich ein Schublade dann weg. If it's longer, if my overalls are actually longer, I need to measure that. If it's longer, I'm going to have to remove one of the drawers, but I'm going to do it on both sides so that I have it evened out. Yeah. So I'm going to do that, and then so it is freezing. I've got the heating on. I don't have enough wood to make a fire, so I am trying. At the moment, what I'm doing is I'm working out how much of space I have in our main bedroom, because we are making the whole bedroom. We are changing the walls in the bedroom, in our bedroom, and so I'm trying to figure out if the bed will fit within the new room space. This is all mind-boggling because I haven't done, it's easier said than done with numbers and meters and stuff like that. But I think in reality, when you put the stuff in there, it's a whole different thing. And that's what I'm so scared about. So I'm going into very much detail, hoping that it kind of works. And yeah, well, I'm sitting on the floor. It's my favorite place when I'm working on something. Bailey is at the bottom. Yeah, so getting that done. Finally done with my planning for my wardrobe, and it looks so amazing. Can't wait for it to come together. You know, when you working with something and it's all in the planning, and then it's to wait to get to the end product. Yeah, so I can't wait for that. Now I'm busy packing. I started in my closet, one box down and more boxes to go. Yeah, so that is it. So yesterday was really one of my bad days. I don't know how you guys handle it or work your way out of it. You know, when good things come around or good things happening in your life, and it automatically takes me back to not being around my family, and that hurts. That really puts a knife in my heart. Not being able to share that experience with my family, it messes me up. It messes me mentally up, and I think also physically. As I said this morning, my body was really in pain. I was tired, exhausted. It was everything, and I think it was all it was mentally. It also had something to do with it. And it's so weird because everybody thinks that, you know, coming to Germany or moving to Europe is just all sunny and candy and everything sweet, nice, roses and you know, all those good things. And it's so far from that. Yeah, it has its perks, like any other country has their perks, but moving away from your family and moving alone and not having that security that you used to have with your family, and that das fehlt mir. Es fehlt mir sehr. But such is life. I know I had made that decision to move away from my family. but just living in it. And it's weird because when I was younger or earlier in this me moving to Germany, it wasn't that bad. But as I'm getting older, it seems to be getting worse. Like Christmas or my birthday or Easter or just even hearing when my family are having like get-togethers and stuff like that, and it kind of like, oh, it hurts, and it's hard to get out of this thing that your mind goes through. Because on Saturday we were with my sister-in-law at the new place, showing her, and they loved it, and we walked around, and I wish I could have had that experience with my family, like taking them to my new place and showing them the town that it is in, and just experiencing that happiness. I mean, you can show them pictures and stuff like that, but it's just not the same. But going there in person, and and that kind of like, damn, hit me in the face directly. So that was my Monday, my Blue Monday. And as I said, it does take some time that I get out of it, but doing better, one step at a time. So I'm gonna get this closet packed and move on to my bedroom, and then from the bedroom go into the bathroom. But it's so annoying packing and knowing that you have 4 weeks, but you're still gonna need stuff. And you never know exactly what you need. So it's what is it that is really, really need to get packed, kind of thing. So that's all playing on my head, and hoping it's something that gets packed that I don't have to take it out and look for it. And so arrived today is something that I ordered on the weekend. This is for the new place. I got 2 light fixtures for the bathroom. This because I'm getting a double sink cupboard for the bathroom. So I wanted 2 light fixtures to hang over the sink, well, in front of the mirror piece on the wall. So this is really getting so real. And I'm getting excited. So it's a good thing moving from my mood from Monday to today. So let's have a look what this really looks like. Okay, this is a bit noisy. Oh, that was a good crunch. So it's basically that, and it's going to be 2 pieces hanging over the double sink in the bathroom. How cool is that? I'm so excited that it actually looks amazing. It's a little bit bigger than what I thought, but the bigger the better. Yes, we have come to an end to this amazing, miserable, cold day in Germany. Yes, living in Germany has its perks and its downsides, and I am going through it. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. I look forward to every single comment you guys have written, and I look forward to more. Also, don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like the video. And so every single subscriber counts. So don't be shy to subscribe to get to know me and come on this journey with me. So I hope you guys are following and enjoying what you're seeing. See you guys soon, and take care till the next time. Ciao.